guys, it's Personalized Slime here today, and today I'm going to be doing one of my slime tutorials for you today. So, as you know, I sell slime on Etsy. I've got it in the link down below. So while you're watching this video, go check it out and you can buy some of my amazing slimes today. But today I'm going to be telling you how to make one slime. And if you also, I've got the link in the description box to my Instagram account. So let's get started with this video. A bowl, some slime activator, which is water and borax, make sure it is hot, glitter or color dye, baby oil, any kind of lotion, and this big bottle of white glue, or you could have clear glue, and some stars, which is kind of like glitter, which is just optional. The first ingredient to add is your glue. Add as much as you want, because as much as you want of the white glue means how much slime you're going to make. Now some water. I'm going to just eyeball it because as you can see I haven't got one of those the bottles of glue, so I'm just going to have to eyeball it up. Now the water. The straw is gone. I think that's enough. Now mix. Now, once you've finished mixing, it should look something like this if you're using white glue. If you're using clear glue, make sure that you do not use water. Now it's the super satisfying bit. It's the glitter bit. So we're going to add some blue glitter. So let's start with that. Look how pretty this is, guys. Now, let's add some, what do you think we should add? I don't know. Maybe some pink. Let's add some pink. There we go. Mix it all in. Wow, that looks so beautiful. Okay, so you can either add colored dye or paint. I'm going to use paint, so I'm just going to get a little bit. I don't want to put too much in because sometimes it can make it more liquidy. So I'm just going to try and get that on. There we go. And mix until I can see the right color that I want. Okay, so we've gotten the correct blue we like. So now we're going to add some lotion. The lotion makes it more stretchy. And then we're gonna get some baby oil. It doesn't matter what brand it is. And then squirt some in there. The baby oil will make it see as it's kind of already turning slime. And this will make it really smells nice. And as you can see, there's bits where it's turning slime. Okay, so now we're adding our slime activator in. And you're gonna add a little bit by little. Making sure that so you can see it's already forming because the baby oil helps it form really well. Okay, add a little bit more. As you can see, it's already turning into slime. And you want to make sure that you mix really well. A lot. Look at this. This is why you have to add the baby oil, because the baby oil helps it really well to make it stretch. We'll be back when we've finished making it turn into slime. As you can see, guys, it's getting really sticky and the slime consistency. So you don't want to add so much now, because if you add too much slime activator, it will start to turn really liquidy, and you don't want that. So now I think it's time to play with my hands. I put it in a container, and I put some red with it to make it look purple. Look how fluffy, and it feels so glossy. Look at this. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you put a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel to see more videos like this one. Bye!